In this video, let me show you how to fix TikTok comments not loading. Welcome back everyone to this new tutorial video. Now if you're having issues loading the comments that other people have made on your video, or that you're trying to look at comments for other people's videos as well, in this situation what you can try out straight away is try to clear out the app cache. So what you can simply do is head over to your profile, head over to the three lines on the top right, head over to settings and privacy, scroll down and head over to free up space. Once you're inside, just tap on the clear option on the first one and then tap on clear again. Once you complete this step, make sure you remove the TikTok application from the recent app list and try to open up the app again. And by doing this step alone, you should be able to fix this issue. The other thing that you'll also need to ensure is that you disconnect from any sort of VPNs that you might be connected to, or you can also try switching your networks. If you're currently connected to your Wi-Fi network, you can try switching to your cellular data and try to see if this fixes the issue. Now, even after doing all of this steps, you're still having issues with it. The last thing that you can try out is try to update or reinstall the TikTok application. So just uninstall the app from your device and then again re-download it. This ensures that you have the latest version, and any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue should also now be fixed. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.